Ready for something incredible? We're diving into the high-stakes world of giant load transport. These maneuvers will leave you speechless. Let's get started and see how it's done. The Nikola Terrafame crystallizers, weighing tons and stretching 10 meters wide and 6.6 meters in height, were transported over 800 kilometers through challenging conditions. Departing at night under rainy weather, the convoy navigated icy, slippery roads and sharp turns with utmost precision. A professional logistics team ensured the load arrived safely and flawlessly. This operation underscores the meticulous planning required for heavy transport. And now, we're diving into the thrilling world of logistics as Chudy Logistics tackles a monumental challenge, moving 5 gigantic digesters and 1 accumulator. This unstoppable convoy of 40 vehicles roars through Belgium, each behemoth demanding specially reinforced trailers. Navigating twisty roads and narrow bridges requires meticulous planning. Coordinating such a massive operation combines skill and teamwork, marking the final part of this extraordinary journey. September 6, 2017 marked an exciting day, the delivery of 2 massive passenger cabins for the new IBC cable car. Thanks to specialized cranes, these giants were transferred smoothly from one truck to another, making logistics look effortless. It's a remarkable testament to how far heavy transport technology has come. Watch these giants on wheels glide through the roundabout with effortless power. Their metallic frames glow like golden beasts in the sunset. Heavy-duty transport is truly an engineering marvel, and it deserves all the recognition. Stunning! Just look at the Russell DE 15-2500 powering through this blizzard. Its snowplow carves through the drifts, sending shimmering cascades of white flying. The deep roar of its engine and the grind of steel wheels shatter the winter's silence. On September 23, 2016, an unusual transport operation took place in Kunovice. This isn't something you see every day, folks. A Tupolev Tu-154, the same one that once brought Czech Olympians from Nagano, was being transported by truck from Kabeli Airport to Kunovice. Can you imagine the shock of seeing such a huge aircraft in pieces on a truck? The crowd was amazed, cheering and gasping as it passed by. On this remarkable journey, a convoy of 4 specialized trucks and 2 trailers is tasked with transporting the powerful GE9HA gas turbine. This powerful turbine weighs 250 tons and measures 12.5 meters in length, 4.5 meters in width, and 4.2 meters in height. The carefully chosen route has been fully inspected to ensure the safe transport of this delicate cargo. The turbine is securely fastened to the trailers, preventing any movement during transport. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how this green warrior handles that slope? Watching the John Deere 640H excavator in action is pure magic. At full capacity, it's powering through the steep terrain of southern Chile during a forestry harvest. Watching it work makes me want to grab a hard hat and join in. The Komatsu D575, the largest bulldozer on the planet. In the mountains, this titan rips through rock with ease. Just look at it go. The claw tears into the earth, showcasing sheer power. With a roaring 1,150 horsepower engine, this beast can't be stopped. The convoy transporting the 114-ton transformer kicked up a storm of dust as it powered through Eastern Cape's rugged dirt roads. It's a nail-biting journey, but with some serious maneuvering and expert teamwork, this powerhouse makes it safely to its final destination. Mission accomplished. Wow, that 6x6 truck maneuver was incredible. I can't believe how smoothly that truck backed up and turned around. That takes serious skill. Hats off to the driver.